everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be creating some arm candy, you guys, because I love bracelets. I just recently started getting into bracelets, but love bracelets. I need some for myself, but also for the website. I plan to have the website back up and going July 1st. So I'm going to be making some smaller ones with this set right here. Look at that, really nice. So of course you're going to need some round nose pliers, and I'm going to be creating my own little charms. So I got some of these, what are they, eye pins, and y'all, I could not find my wire cutters, so I have like my sharpest pair of scissors I'm going to use to cut the wire down if need be. But also I wanted to come on here and share with you guys these neat little scarves that I got. I just got a pack of 3, y'all. The link gonna be in the description box, but y'all, I got a pack of 3. It was $11.99. Y'all, I love it, especially the little frayed, you know, ends. You don't have to wear it like this. You can, you know, do it up like a turban or whatever, but I love it. And they got all colors. I do plan to get all the colors. I just wanted to test it out first and see, you know, what it looked like, see the texture, the quality of it, and I love it. It's perfect for summer. It's not too heavy, it's not thick at all. So yeah, let's go ahead and get up into this craft. I am going to be using the polymer clay beads, and these are the small ones, y'all. So I've never worked with the small ones, but I'm going to work with them today. And I think for the elastic, I'm actually using some different elastic today than what I normally use. Okay, so this is the elastic, the stretchy cord that I usually use for bracelets and things like that. What I've noticed is that with this elastic over time, it like really stretches out. It loses its shape. I'm gonna say that. So I'm going to try out this elastic cord, and this is what normally comes with the bead kits that I get. So I'm going to test it out today. And well, I'm not going to test it out because I've used it. It's really good. So I'm just going to go ahead. Alright, you guys, so these are some of the color sets that I've done. This is the white, the blue, and the pink, and I just love how they turned out. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna sit and do all the colors. I'm also doing matching earrings with them as well. I think that'll be really cute. Like I said, all this stuff is going to be up on the website. If you have any questions at all, anything that I did, please feel free to ask, and you know, I'll get back to you. Or if you want me to explain in more detail in actual video, just let me know. I will do that also. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.